Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I want to share with you kind of an unboxing for the month of October for Scrappy Tales Crafts. I've got a couple of actual packages from Scrappy Tales. The first is the Winter Flurries card kit. And then the second one is actually some things from the October die collection. Now, I bought part of these just because they're so darn cute, and she did send some to me as being a design team member. Anyway, I'm going to start off with the card kit. Again, this is called the Winter Flurries card kit. I will leave links down below for everything that I'm sharing with you guys today. The first is this humongous stamp set. This is the English Christmas Village stamp set. And like I said, this is a huge stamp set. This one is approximately 7 inches wide by... Wow, 7 by 8. This one is big, and it's got a lot of kind of vintagey, old world Christmas in the UK. Yeah, I think this is really cute. We've got some houses, we've got a bunch of people, we've got some carolers, we've got a couple that are riding along in their sleigh. So that's going to be super fun to play with. Okay, this die set is called the Layering Church with Lantern and Christmas Tree. Yeah, it's got a lantern here, it's got a Christmas tree, and it's got a church, and all the little pieces to go along with it to decorate your church up. And then we've got the Winter Flurries paper pack, which is absolutely gorgeous. They're all these wintry, cool tones. We've got blues and grays and blacks, and this one is like a not quite off-white, and then it goes down to ombre, down to a gray. I think that is super pretty. And these are going to work out great to make a bunch of Christmas cards. Along in that kit, she also sent us a couple of packs of some limited edition embellishments to go on our cards. So I think that's going to be super fun. So that is the Winter Flurries card kit. This one, though, looks a little odd, I have to admit. These are going to be some super fun dies for us to play with. So for this second part, this is, like I said, part of their die collection for the month of October. This is the A7 Lantern Pop-Up Card. So this is actually going to create like a hanging lamp. You've got this piece here, so you could hang it somewhere. You could carry it around. So I think that is super cool. But this isn't the full thing. This is just part of it. It actually comes, this is the full die set. The die set is humongous. And I'm going to probably have to use a big magnetic sheet to hold all the bits and everything for this specific one. I mean, it's got candles, it's got the wreath, there's so many things. And then the windows, you can put pretty much anything you want to in there. So that is going to be really, really cool. You can also get a separate piece that makes it so that you can like rotate it. And I did not get that extra die, but I did get these. I'm going to be playing with those this month. Then we've got this set here, which I've already taken out of the package and popped off because I've got a different idea for it. This is the Lantern Pop-Up Basic Shape add-on. So these panels here will fit perfectly over our windows. So that is cool. Okay. Then we've got this set, which is also the same kind of idea. These will fit right over those windows, and this is the pop-up holiday panel. So we've got a Christmas tree, we've got a reindeer, and then we've got some snowflakes. And then I also got this humongous stencil, and the stencil is called Slimline Snowflake Corner Stencil. And this one is, the stencil is like 6 inches wide by 9 inches. So this is going to be, it's actually bigger than what you'd probably need for a standard A2 size card, but that also means that you can have it kind of going off the edge of your cardstock. So that is going to be pretty as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started making a project with some of the fun goodies in this, and you guys are going to have to wait for the next video for that. So you guys have a wonderful day. I will leave links to everything down in the description, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.